Okay. All right.
Don't follow me, Mike.
Don't do what I want to do. Okay. Oh my. You are so gone. Oh. I'm trying to get to the rock. Just don't lose your shoes. I want to see if I can go through this.
There's no way you can get past here. Because like I'm at the bottom of the mud and the mud's an inch thick.
We're not even near the rocks.
We should have brought rocks to throw over.
I'm gonna test the water.
I really wish I had a boot. I really wish I had
If I didn't give my boot to a meth addict.
Shoe stuck. Shoe stuck. Do not.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Shoe first. I get to make fun of you.
Whoever falls down.
Okay, this is solid over here.
I don't want to follow your path. Damn it.
Just avoid that area. You're solid.
Oh.
See? I think as long as you follow the ridge.
Okay, yeah, the ridge is safe.
The water, I think, drained off.
The ridge is safe.
Oh, that is not safe there.
No, just look at it. No, we're so close to the water, though.
I know, I'm trying. Some fucks, they're gonna get stuck out there.
City boy.
It remembers our path.
Oh man, Jeremiah. Oh.
Just move fast and evenly distribute weight. I feel like such a dumb fuck. Like with those walking and walking.
Oh no! Oh no! My whole foot went under. Oh.
That's not the first time. Oh, I made it to rock. We're safe.
We did it! Yes! We did it, rocks.
Almost went in there. Woo.